What made you get into banking?
Yeah. So in high school, I was good at math, and they put me in this program called the Finance Academy. And through that program, I was able to land a job as a teller for Marine Midland Bank. I was in high school. And I worked for the bank, did a good job, worked on the platform, learned how to talk to customers as they came into the door, service.
So you were a teenager at this point
I was
in time.
17 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, up in Liberty, New York, my hometown. And I learned the platform and how to engage with customers walking into the bank, how to identify what they needed and what type of products the bank offered and how that could meet their need, and how to sell, to the customers and make their life easier, so with their finances, and how to save and such. So that's when I got into banking, was in 1997. And from there, I went to college, Pace University in Westchester.
And you weren't in banking anymore? You just kind of took a focus on just a career, or you were still in banking?
I was still working part-time.
Wow,
in
that's
banking
impressive.
as a teller. And I also got into telemarketing back then. That was the year 2000, And so after I graduated Pace University, I walked into a local bank in the town, which was Chappaqua, New York, Westchester County. And back then it was called Fleet Bank, Fleet. And I introduced myself to the manager there because I had an account at Fleet Bank. And I told her a little bit about myself. She asked for my resume. So I brought her back a copy of my resume, and she hired me about a month later after a couple interviews. And I was hired initially by Fleet Bank as a platform person, which was like sales, opening accounts, home equity lines of credit, home equity loans. I referred a lot of high net worth individuals to the financial advisor so that they could do some financial planning and estate planning. So I was very good at that, introducing clients to the
Right.
financial advisor. And that's what kind of started paving my way in banking and advancing. And I always wanted to learn and grow, and I was a hard worker. I was taught how to work hard at a young age. I was a pick and shovel guy for my dad's construction business up in Liberty, New York.
Nice.
And I was driving backhoes.
So not just a pretty boy banker.
No,
Know how to get you.
I had a couple
know how to get your
calluses.
hands-
A couple calluses.
Get your hands dirty.
Yeah, cuts and bruises, and I was driving backhoes and dump trucks at 12 and 14
Wow.
years old. So I wasn't afraid to work, and it was never a curse word in my glossary. So that was good.